This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Jobea Trefny. Exceptional floor plan. 3-bed/2-bath split floor plan has an airy and open living area, all new vinyl plank flooring, 9 ceiling, eat-in kitchen with upgraded white cabinetry, gray stainless appliances, pantry, walk-in laundry room includes washer/dryer. Primary suite has walk-in closet, large bath west/full shower, dual sinks. All bedrooms have walk-in closets and shared bath west/tub/shower combo. Great screened and porch looks out to pond with paver patio and fully fenced backyard. New mini barn. For more information, review the details below or contact Jobea Trefny at 317-691-1367.